I'm Nick doing stuff. Today we're going to fix this ATV. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Okay, today we're going to change the air filter on a Polaris Hawkeye 300. This will also be the same instructions for a 2008 through 2010 Sportsman 300 and 400. They're all built on the same mid-size ATV platform. So everything will look very, very similar, just different color plastic, that type of thing. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to do, pull firmly up on the seat, get it removed. Put that off to the side safely. Next, you'll see we have the air box here. There's two clips. You just got to pop them off, and then I believe you just kind of work that off. As you can see, my air filter's pretty dirty. It was in need of changing. I have just purchased this four-wheeler, so I've been making lots of upgrades to different things here, doing the regular maintenance items. What I'm going to do is remove the air filter, which should just take a little pull off like that. We'll also look inside here. Let me grab a flashlight. As you can see, there's a little bit of dust and dirt. Looks like there may have gotten some oil in there at some point as well. Not real sure what the history is there. I'm going to go ahead and clean that out, and then we will install the new filter. To do that, let's just take a look at this filter. It's pretty trashed. So it's dirty. It smells like oil. So there definitely was some oil in there for some reason. Just overall gross. So we'll put a new one in. We'll keep an eye on it. If there's for some reason oil getting in there again, we'll do something about that too. So if you look in there, there's kind of a drain at the bottom for water to drip out if it happens to get in there. Looks like it may be clogged because I just pulled this out of that hole. It's definitely still wet. I think some of that's from the stuff that I've sprayed in there, and it was definitely clogged up. So we're gonna keep cleaning this out a little bit more. I just wanted to point that out, that could happen. Your drain at the bottom could get clogged up. So we're gonna blow that out or something with compressed air. We'll see what we can do. Okay. Wasn't actually a drain, it was just a little drip. So we blew everything out of there. Gonna wipe it out just a little bit more, and then we'll get started on the next piece. Okay, now that we've gotten everything cleaned out, to my satisfaction, probably more than was necessary, but I like to kind of start this machine off from a clean slate here. So then we just take our new filter out. As you can see, it's pretty much exactly the same as the one that was in. It has the foam over filter, and then just kind of your white paper cone underneath. So get this foam kind of lined up here. And then go ahead and pop it on. It's a little looser than I'd like, I think. Yeah, there we go. I guess it's not gonna come off. That's it. So now all that's left to do is put the airbox cover back on. And that just kind of slips into these three holes here. Kind of finesse it in, and move these guys back. The clips on the front, and then they just pop over like so. And like this one was a little messed up earlier, so we gotta just get it to stay the way it's supposed to. Nothing's ever as easy as it should be. There we go. Okay, so everybody's in place. We're gonna move our light just a tad so I can put the seat back on. Just need to make sure our seat's lined up correctly. Oh, see, we're not lined up correctly. Gotta get the front end first. Still not there. That's one thing with these machines. The seat is very challenging to get back on. You see both sides now, either side, it's on. It's not gonna blow off when I'm driving down the road. Okay, that ends this video.